Does your company store personally identifiable information? Doesn't everybody store their clients' information? There has been a reported 2,300 plus security breaches since 2005, compromising more than 515 million data records, including those containing customers' private information and companies' financials. It's a huge exposure out there today for anybody who's touching PII. Here are some quick statistics from Travelers from one of their white papers. In today's data-driven world where sensitive information is stored and transferred electronically, organizations of all sizes are vulnerable to costly and damaging liabilities from data security breaches that are occurring at alarming and growing rates. The reality is, if you have clients' PII and you lose it, or you become hacked by an outsider or an employee, you're going to be held responsible. You may be subject to some, if not all, of the following things: security breach remediation and notification expense. You may have to rebuild the damaged data and also notify all the people involved and provide credit monitoring for a minimum of a year. That's a huge expense. Network and information security liability. Often the ones that are victims may bring a claim or a class action lawsuit against you. I mean, we all know there's too many lawyers out there. Regulatory defense expense. A significant breach can often lead to a complaint by the state or federal government. And we all know the government is looking for money these days. Cyber risk insurance will reimburse expenses incurred in responding to a regulatory claim stemming from a data breach. Crisis management expenses. A cyber risk policy will reimburse expenses for public relations services to rebuild your reputation. Computer program and electronic data restoration expenses. A cyber risk policy will pay to repair a company's computer and get them up and running. This is Steve Brown from Technology Risk Advisors.